Hi, I am Japan Man. I am going to show you 100 SX. I forget my lunch, so we gotta run. Oh crap. Run, 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 run. Ah! My foot! I am in top secret location. This is a Nissan part. It is all metal. In the future, it will rust. Top secret engine, the best engine. And here we have some non-rusty parts, not rusty yet. Put some rust cure in that. They listen to me. This is where we make Spot World. My lunch order. These people don't know what they're doing. That's why we have machine instead. Look at that beauty. You missed a bit. This is all clean. Yes, do that properly. Looks like it needs a lot of wax oil. Wax on, don't wax off. These people, they look really specialist. But really, they just make drift car. In the future, this will be impossible to remove. Nice dashboard with big buttons. Make sure you have big buttons. Best engine. SR20 DET. Flat top drain cam. Make sure you put this in properly. It will never have to be removed again. You are missing driftwork subframe bushes. They're still not listening to me. Do you see my wheel spin? Look at my cookie lights. In future they will be expensive. Look, my steering turns. Very special car. Pop-up headlights. Should never forget pop-up headlights. Look at the beauty of them. These lines all perfectly 5mm apart. This door, you never get this sound. Sounds just like a 180 SX. I would do wheel spin, but I will lose my job. Thanks for watching. Mr. Japan Man out.